Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Malin Havefjell, and in this little mini series I will take you through this brochure that is free from the tax agency, that is about the bookkeeping, the simplified annual report and the income tax return. And you can get this brochure. It's called SKV282 and you can download it from the tax agency's website, or you can fetch it and have it on paper like this. Today we will talk about what you get out from your bookkeeping and what you need to have there. And the bookkeeping is built on two different reports. We have the balance report and we have the profit and loss report. In the balance report, we will see the assets of your company. And when I say assets, it's what your company owes, what you have purchased for your company that has a longer lifetime, economic lifetime in your company, let's say for more than 3 years, and also things that's like the money that you have on your bank account. That is an asset in your company because it will still be there when your financial year has ended. So your bank account, the company's bank account, is an asset in your company, and that should be visible in your balance report. And also then, if you have purchased things that has a longer economic lifetime in your company than 3 years, machines for example, or maybe you have purchased a car for your company. And if you have a car in your company, be sure to read about the different tax rules regarding the car benefit if you are using the car for you as a private person as well, because then you need to handle that a little differently. So the balance report, in that one we will see like a second, right this moment, how does my company look, where is the asset, what is the value of the company, and who controls this value. So the asset part, there we see the value of the assets. And in the other part of this balance report, we will see the debts and who controls the assets. So we will see your own capital, what you have lent out to your company, and we will also see if you have lent money from someone else, or if you owe the tax agency money. We will see that as well here, like for example the VAT. That one we can see in the balance report, because the VAT isn't your money, it's the tax agency's money that you just keep for them right now before you have paid it to them. So that is one of the reports. And the other report that we need to figure out how to do is the profit and loss report, or the performance report. I don't know what you call it. But in the profit and loss report, I like that word because it's more understandable what we want from this one. We want to see, have my company made a profit or a loss this year? So the profit and loss report will be, we only see this period, one financial year, in the profit and loss report. So we see the income, the money that you have received from your clients, from your customers, when they have purchased something from you. There we see the income. And then I guess you need to buy certain things to be able to perform this service or this product to your customers, and that will be your deductible costs in the company. So that then we have the income, and we deduct with the costs that you need to purchase to be able to get your income. That is the main rule for the deductible costs. If you are running a limited company, then there will also, I guess, be costs for your salary, for your employee. If you are your employee by yourself, then you will have that cost as well. But if you are a sole trader, then you will not see your salary in the profit and loss report. You will see your salary in the balance report, because that is your company paying back the money that you have given to the company, more or less. In this brochure, they will only speak for those who run a sole trader. So when you look at this one, remember it's for sole traders. And if you wonder, okay, what kind of costs are deductible? Well, On the tax agency's website, you can find a list of deductible costs, and those are mainly for sole traders. If you run a limited company, then you need to go a little deeper into the tax agency's website and go over to a page that's called rättslig vägledning. That's like where you find all the legal documents. So there you can find information about what's deductible for a limited company and not. So now we know that we, in the bookkeeping, to be able to do all these things, to be able to do the bookkeeping, and especially the simplified annual report and your income tax return, you need to, at the end, have a balance report and a profit and loss report. So the bookkeeping is just something we do, like the bookkeeping is the puzzle pieces. And the picture of the puzzle will become these two different reports, the balance report and the profit and loss report. If you want to continue watching, go through this brochure together with me, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next one. And tell your friends if you know that it would be good for them as well to see this one. And download this brochure so you can look at it while we go through it in the next video. See you then. Bye bye.